nail tip cutting, acrylic product laying, gel polish applying, super precise smile lines, and gel over acrylic. I'm doing my nails.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, then welcome. I am so glad you have joined us. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, then hey, how you doing? Let's get straight into this video and do my nails. I am so excited for this. There is a little bit of a funny bit that I have to share with you as I'm cutting my nail tips, so just wait for it. It's in like a few seconds, and honestly, it was super freaking funny. Me and Babe have so much freaking banter. Who even am I? I don't even use that word.
You fucking sick bitch.
I didn't.
How the fuck?
It landed in your water.
How the fuck does that get in the water?
I do apologise for the language if some of you don't like that. We do swear quite a lot when in conversation, just because we are all adults, of course, and yeah. Sorry if you didn't like it, but it was so freaking funny. Honestly, it was so funny. Anyway, let's get back into the video. I've applied my clear ultra thin tips and I've used the instant nail glue. Now I've mixed up Perfect Pink with some clear hollow loose glitter. The combination is absolute of fire, and I'm going to go ahead and apply. Oh my god, shock horror, I've not done a clear base. Can you tell it was late at night and I was just gonna be bothered. I was like, I'll probably soak these off anyway, so it's fine. Inside I was dying, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm literally just going to do an overlay over the tips and my natural nail. This is just going to be a basic set because I'm hoping to use the gel polishes a lot more and do some art with them. Check out, swatch the colours on my nails and things like that. So yeah, I wanted something sparkly and cute, and I decided to just mix this up and give it a go, and I love how it turned out. I'm using the number 12 aqua brush as well for the application of this product, and as always I will link all the products down below if you guys want to check them out. I finished applying my product and I filed and buffed off of camera, and now we are ready to come in and paint our French tips. So I'm going to be using the new French white gel polish from my brand, which is Nailmate, and as I said, I will link that down below. I'm also going to be using the Nailmate detailer, which is perfect for creating detailed designs, character paintings and French smile lines. So I'm starting off first with the brush fully loaded with product. You don't want to pull the product on the end, but you want to have enough to give a nice good coverage, and that's what's great about the Nailmate products. They are super pigmented. So once I've applied the majority of the free edge of the white French, I'm coming in with the detailer brush, and I've just decanted some of that product onto a palette, and I'm just going to use the detailer brush to refine and crisp up that smile line, and voila, that is it. It's literally that easy. Super perfect, super beautiful, and super easy to change. I wanted to show you as well, as you can see there, I hadn't just quite applied enough product. Now I didn't need to add any more. As you can see, I can simply level out that product slightly with my detailer brush and then just give it a couple of seconds to self-level before popping into the lamp. I love how this looks, it's super pretty. I did decide to come in with a second coat, however that is optional. I do only do one coat of the white on my ring finger and it looks absolutely fabulous. You can't really tell the difference, so it's just down to personal preference whether you'd like to have 2 coats or a 1 coat. After I've fully cured that in the lamp, I'm coming in with Poppy and Lime Time, and I'm going to do a cute little cherry or cherries on my nails. I'm just using a dotting tool and placing 2 red blobs in circles and then curing those, and then coming in with the Lime Time, which is like a super lime zesty green colour. It looked super cute, and initially I was going to do a different kind of design, and to be honest I was going to get a little bit lazy with it and just not do anything else, and I was like, I'll just top coat this and then see how I'm feeling. It was super late in the evening, so I'm applying super gloss, and then I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, this is super cute. I love how the French is looking. I'm going to do it on all the nails. Originally, like I said, I was feeling a bit lazy and I wasn't going to bother. Sometimes I just feel like that, you know, when you're like partway through a set and you start rushing or just doing stuff for the sake of it. Well, that sometimes happens, and then I'm like, oh my god, this is terrible. But I loved how the French looked, so I decided to carry on and do that on all the nails and then add a nice super gloss top coat. So as I said, I just wanted to let you know that this finger is just 1 coat of the white. As you saw there as well, I accidentally splodged onto the nail. I obviously wasn't looking what I was doing, and I just kind of went down with the brush and was like, damn. But instead of fixing it off camera, I decided to leave it on and show you guys how you would fix that, because sometimes that does happen, like in a salon setting. If you have a client, your client moves or knocks, or you even like just do it wrong, that's fine, easily fixable. You just want to come in and continue drawing that smile. Of course you can clean it up prior to doing this part, but I just find it easier to carry on and then come in with an oval brush. So this is the Nailmate flat-ended double-sided, what the heck, that was crazy. The Nailmate double-sided flat oval brush. I'll leave it down below for you guys and on the screen so you can check it out. I just use a little bit of the Safe Scrub or alcohol, whatever you have available, not the kind that you drink, the kind that you sanitize and clean things with, and just pop it on your brush and clean up that gel area, and it's super easy and effective to do, and it's a quick fix and it still looks fabulous. So after I've done that, I cure in the lamp, and then I come in with super gloss and I apply it over the entire nail. I do make sure to seal in the side walls and the free edge as well to prevent any peeling or lifting of products. And that is it. I do apply my oil and then share the final results with you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it as well, because it really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!